What's going on, guys? Filip here, and I'm going to show you how to fix the problem when you are trying to start your Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 multiplayer. It says that the game is unavailable, and please try again at another time. So, well, I already fixed my problem, so I can show it to you guys. But what you'll want to do, and what worked for me, was that I right clicked on the game in Steam, went to Properties, Local Files, and then Verify Integrity of Game Cache. And then you just gonna want to let this finish, and then there might be a update for the game, at least it did for me. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just go right click, properties, local files, and verify integrity of game cache. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope it helped you out. And until next time, hasta luego.